Are you in need of converting MSG file into vCard? Introducing SysTools MSG to vCard Converter. Migrate all your MSG file contacts into vCard. Key features of the software. MSG Contact to vCard Converter Tool. Merge contacts into single vCard contact file. Preview messages in multiple viewing modes before exportation process. Various vCard versions for MSG contacts to vCard conversion. MSG to VCF software supports ANSI and Unicode MSG files for conversion. Go to Google and search SysTools MSG to vCard Converter. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. Explore the folders from the left side pane of the software window and navigate to the location where you have saved your MSG files. Select the folder which contains the MSG files. Once you select the folder, the emails will be visible in the right side of the software pane. Select any contact and you will preview of contacts details and multiple options in the bottom of the pane. If you want to export selected contacts, then select the contacts and click on the Export Selected option. If you want to export all contacts, then click on the Export option. A window will appear. Here you will see multiple export option. Select the vCard radio button and click on Advanced Settings option. The software allows you to export your MSG files to 3 different vCard versions. You can select the desired vCard version. This option provides the user to merge the added message contact file. You can check or uncheck. Now click on the Save button to save the settings. Now, click on Browse button for the resulting vCard file and select a destination location. At last, click on Export button to start the export process. Export process completed successfully displayed on the screen. Click on OK. Export progress status will now be displayed on the screen. You can directly access the result file by clicking on the location. And you will see exported vCard file. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.